Welcome to the Sano at-home DNA test kit review, usage experience. Links to the product are included in the description below. Sano offers a unique at-home DNA testing service that combines personalized genetic insights with the opportunity to contribute to cutting-edge medical research. It's designed for individuals interested in exploring their genetic health, wellness, and ancestry, as well as those who want to participate in studies that advance genetic science. The Sano process starts with a simple saliva collection kit, which is easy to use and non-invasive. After sending your sample back, the lab analyzes your DNA, providing detailed reports on traits like fitness, nutrition, and disease predisposition. What sets Sano apart is its robust focus on privacy and transparency. Unlike many other services, your genetic data remains under your control, and you can decide how and if it is shared. One standout feature is Sano emphasis on empowering users to contribute to medical research. Through their platform, you can participate in ethically designed research projects tailored to your genetic profile or health conditions, such as studies on autoimmune diseases or mental health. Participants often receive updates on how their contributions are being used, fostering a deeper connection to the research process. Another key highlight is Sano partnership with genetic counselors. If your results reveal potentially significant health insights, you can access professional guidance to help you understand the implications and take appropriate action. Sano is an excellent choice for people who value control over their genetic data and are passionate about supporting scientific progress. It's also a great option for those curious about personalized health insights or exploring how their DNA affects their everyday life. However, if your primary interest is ancestry or entertainment-focused traits, this kit may not be as robust in those areas compared to competitors. In summary, Sano offers a well-rounded, user-focused DNA testing service with an ethical approach and opportunities for meaningful participation in genetic research. If that aligns with your goals, check the links in the description to get started today.